everyone. So now we are going to discuss about some coming developments, that is ONIR TM. ONIR TM is a Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research has developed an innovative technology for drinking water disinfection system, that is ONIR TM. Continuous treatment of water and eliminates all disease causing pathogens, virus, bacteria, fungi and protozoa and cysts to provide safe drinking water. And since it can be solar powered, it is a solar powered. Okay, so it is ONIR will provide access to safe and clean drinking water, just 2 paise per liter. Okay. Next is the flying brain, Simon. Simon or the flying brain. This is the flying brain. Simon Crew Interactive Mobile campaign is head-shaped AI artificial intelligence robot. Is that okay? It's the International Space Station ISS AI-based assistant for astronauts. It will assist the astronauts. Okay, it will assist the astronauts. Funding from the German Aerospace Center. So German Aerospace Center is funding this. What is that? Simon or flying brain. So it is artificial intelligence based. Simon International Space Station is going for that. Next is India Chain. India Chain is country's largest blockchain network. What is that? Blockchain network. So Niti Aayog is proposing the India Chain, India's largest blockchain network, and application of IT and cyber. IT plus cyber is there. Okay. And so India Chain is government aim to enforce contract quicker, prevent fraudulence and help farmer through the efficient disbursement of subsidies, and will link to the India Stake and other government digital identification database also. Set of application program interfaces there to utilize a unique digital infrastructure and ensure presence-less, paperless and cashless service, and Aadhaar, eKYC, eSign, Unified Payment Interface and Digital Locker. So digital initiative is like Aadhaar, eKYC, eSign, Unified Payment Interface and DigiLocker is there. And potential application of India Chain is land records and supply chain management, education certificate, power distribution, cross-border finance. So this is the application of India Chain. So land records, supply chain management, education certificate, power distribution and cross-border. So what is that? That is Niti Aayog proposed the India Chain as a blockchain technology in India. An efficient disbursement of the subsidies and will be linked to the India Stake also. An application program interface also known as. Next is pegylated stereokinase. Pegylated streptokinase. Pegylated streptokinase is the CSIR. A new patented clot buster. What is that? Clot buster. Aim at revolutionizing the treatment of stroke. So stroke is there. So this will be the treatment. Pegylated stereokinase will be the treatment of stroke. And clot buster drug, thrombocyte drug is also there. So clot buster drug, also known as thrombolytic therapy, are a type of heart medication to break up the blood clots. So heart attack and ischemic stroke are there. Heart attack and ischemic stroke. So these are some problems in the body. So pegylated streptokinase will major side effect of current treatment regimen of thrombolytic drug. So bleeding, low blood pressure and allergic reaction, this will be there. Reduced probability of the bleeding, and ischemic stroke will be reduced by like there is a brain and artery to the brain. It is the blocked one. So it will help to infuse the fresh blood from heart and lungs and take away carbon dioxide and cellular wastage also. And it will carry the pure oxygen and nutrient to the brain. And if an artery is blocked, the brain cell cannot make enough amount of energy and eventually stop the working. So 87% of the stroke are ischemic stroke in the brain. Okay. Next is world first hydrogen powered train. Hydrogen powered train. So this is the Germany. Germany roll out the first hydrogen powered train. It is costlier and it is eco-friendly also. And name is Hydrail. Hydrail and Cordia Island train is also known. Steam and water as a only emission and no carbon dioxide, and it is the train can run high speed 140 km per hour also. Next is green propellant. Green propellants. Green propellant by ISRO. Okay, so scientists ISRO have reported progress in development of environment friendly propellant, and propellant is the chemical mixture like produced thrust in the rocket and consists of fuel and oxidizer. What is there? Fuel plus oxidizer. So an oxidizer is an agent release oxygen for combination with the fuel, and there will be the low toxicity, high energy and high performance, high efficiency alternative to the conventional chemical propellant also. And ISRO has started developing eco-friendly solid propellant based glycol azide polymer fuel and ammonium dinitramide as a oxidizer. So what is the fuel? Glycidyl azide polymer and ammonium dinitramide oxidizer. So this will eliminate the emission of chlorinated exhaust product from the rocket motor. So what is known green propellant by ISRO? So it will eliminate the emission of a chlorinated exhaust product, and the most conventional rocket like hydrogen as a propellant, and colorless flammable liquid will be used, and ammonia like odor will be there in hydrogen. An extremely toxic neurotoxin, caustic, carcinogenic and would cause burns to expose humans. So this will be never in the green propellant, and as greener propellant are preferred, that's why. So it is also developing the semi cryogenic technology and refined kerosene known isorocene as a propellant, also with the liquid oxygen as a oxidizer. Next is indigo and LIGO. Indigo, LIGO India. What is that? This is the LIGO India Advanced Gravitational Wave Observatory to be located in the India as a part of worldwide network. India Research Institute and the LIGO Laboratory in USA and Germany and UK also. Location is the Onda, Hingoli, Maharashtra. Where it is? Hingoli, Maharashtra. Okay, and laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory LIGO. Laser interferometer, what is the name? LIGO, laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory project operate three gravitational wave is there. All of those located in the USA, Hanford and Louisiana. LIGO India project aim to move one advanced LIGO detector from Hanford to India. So operated jointly by Indigo and LIGO Lab and Virgo, Italy. So benefits will be enhance the network of gravitational wave detector, pinpoint precise location about the detected waves, and laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory is a large scale physics experiment will be there, detecting the gravitational wave distortion in the space time, indicate the passage of gravitational wave, length of the LIGO and laser beams to travel different distance and measurable with the light detector. So it is the disturbance of fabric of space time and space light. So predicted by the Albert Einstein theory of general relativity. Any object with mass that accelerate product gravitational wave, including the human and aeroplane, but gravitational wave made by us here on Earth are much too small to detect. That's why the LIGO experiment is there, which will detect the gravitational force which are passing through the Earth from the space. So there will be a like this one of the structure will be there. So there will be some mirrors. Okay, and it is a black hole in between. This is the black hole, and there will be a gravitational wave. It's a wave, gravitational wave, and again there will be some mirrors, this mirror and this mirror, and here light will be detect from here to here. Okay, So laser light is sent into the instrument to measure change in the length of the two arms. So gravitational wave, what is this? Interferometer. And what is the passes from the peak and trough, and gravitational wave will be the normally the light returns, and from both of the path it is going from here to here, and it is all about the beam splitter, and a light detector will be there, and light wave, the light detector will be at that point. So this is the LIGO. If like in single line the question is coming what is the LIGO, then it is a laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory which is used to detect the gravitational wave. So that is the important for that. World first thermal battery plant. Thermal battery plant. Thermal battery plant is in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, that is in the Andhra Pradesh. So that is in Andhra Pradesh. Bharat Energy Storage Technology Private Limited, BEST. Bharat Energy Technology Private Limited, BEST, is a private company. The thermal energy battery is physical structure used for purpose of storing and releasing thermal energy, and energy created by temperature differences. Temperature differences is there, then energy will create. So conventional batteries technology use charging discharging cycle, and thermal battery do not have limited life cycle, unlike the lithium batteries have limited life cycle, and greater energy density is there, low carbon footprints are there, lower heat sensitivity will be there, low maintenance requirement will be there, and they can be stored indefinitely, like indefinite time they can be stored. So what are the advantage? These are the not the limited life cycle. A life cycle is very big in thermal battery. Energy density is also greater, carbon footprint will be less, heat sensitivity will be lower, and maintenance requirement will be lower. They can be stored indefinitely, like degrading of performance without degrading of the performance. So applications are in power grids and telecom grids and electrical vehicle also, and even they are robust in the harsh environment also, and thermal battery are predominantly used in guiding the missile system and rockets also. So this is all about the science and technology.